All right, so this quilt uses the Hometown Holiday line, which I have other videos for. Let's Make a Snowman quilt, which is her applique one, but this one is all pieced. So let's take a look at the fabric. All right, so the first one is, it's lettering, and it's got like mistletoe, Yuletide, season's greetings. It's a great color. It's a really pretty color. And this one. I'm trying not to distort the color. I'm gonna fold them back up. And then there's this one, which is really pretty. Stars, blue. And there's a brown of the lettering. Some green flowers. White flowers on green background, I should say. I love this red. This red's pretty. There's the red. This is the Away in a Manger. So it's the Christmas song, which I think is fantastic. There's blue. Kind of red, and it's got some pinks in there. That's kind of pinks. Some reds on white. A brown. A red. It's got some pinks in it too. Background fabric. Some stars. Some dots. Some green. Background fabric. You can see that. It's kind of an orange. Squiggly reds. Reminds me of candy canes, this one does. And we've got maybe a gingham, maybe. And then a whole bunch of that. I think it's got to be maybe 3 yards, maybe. A lot of that. And then just a bit of these. I'll pull them up so you can see them. I love this one too. This one's pretty. I'm excited about getting going on this one. There's the white flowers. This one's blue. The other one was green. It's pretty pretty too. One's fun. This one you've already seen, but she's given us a little extra of that one. And this one I think we've seen too. We got a little extra of that one. This one's really cute. Love that one too. Pink. And then kind of an orangey, flowery one for that one. And then these look like they're, let's turn them around. So we got some dots. See that pattern there? A gray, flowers. This red one you've already seen. So got more of the red one. Got this in red. Kind of a red pink. This one, love the reds. There's a background fabric. This one's a background fabric. Got a gray. I think they look like, oh, I bet you they are gingerbread men. They're gingerbread men. And then we've got kind of a tealy green. And we've got a green letter. Background fabric, kind of an orangey one. Got green flowers, pink background, a green, kind of a brown, and then a gold. This is the Away in the Manger. So that is all of our fabric for this project. So what we'll do next is I will go through and cut each one of the blocks, and I will get started on this quilt. So if you'd like, come along with me and let's work through this. I think if you were to get just the pattern book, which I got mine, I got my kit from Fat Quarter Shop, and I'll link that down below. But I think you can go ahead and just buy the book, and then you could use up your stash if you'd like. So come along with me and let's work on this cute, darling little snowman. Looking forward to it, guys. Come along with me.